Hi, ako pala si Johnny P. Aparicio and I will introduce our barangay, Tabing Dagat, Mambuat, Tandang City. The Tabing Dagat is a fitting name for a coastal area is directly translated for a beside sea or by the sea in the Filipino. This name likely originated from the combination of two words, tabing meaning beside or along the side, and dagat meaning sea. The creation of this name contributed to the local community's need to describe and identify areas adjacent to the ocean. Ang halos pamumuhay ng mga tao dito ay pangingisda. Nagamit nila ito para kukuha sila ng isda, pagkain nila, pagkain, or tingka nila para makakwarta sila palit. Local people come to here to relax, enjoy the view of the Tabing Dagat, Mambuat, Tandang City, and many people come to enjoy or having a family day, a birthday, come to Tabing Dagat to celebrate their birthday or reunion. Only ilang barangay. Pangatbangan, ilang basurahan. Enjoy thrilling water sports or simple bath in the sandworm. Witness breathtaking sunsets that will leave you. all for today. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Johnny P. Aparijo.